Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Step, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to block someone on Slack desktop app. So let's get started. So first and foremost guys, let me just remind you one thing, that you can't block someone straight away on Slack. So let me show you guys. So this is my friend over here. Once I right click, there is an option that pops up. Here you can either hide him or you can mute the conversation. So if you want to delete the conversation, you can just click on close conversation, but you don't have the option to block. So what you're gonna do is, if you click on mute, your friend can send text on the channels, but in the DMs he will be separated in the corner and he won't be able to DM you until you change it. So this is all for today. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.